how to spy on your competitors' TikTok ads. So the first thing is that you have to go to library.tiktok.com, and once you get there, you see this, and you can select the country that you want. So I'm going to just select all countries. Then you can select the type, but I don't think it's type that's showing. So I think they have range. This looks like, if I'm not mistaken, last 28 days. So now you can actually search by keyword. So it have said everywhere in the world. You can see the top. I think these are the top ranking ads. You can see ads from different company. But let's say we want to look for. Let's use Apple as an example. I doubt if Apple is running ads on advertiser name Apple Brazil. Okay, let's say Apple Europe. Then click on search. Okay, so Apple Europe is not the Apple Europe that we know. So you can see, okay, oh, they actually the Apple here, Apple that we know about. Okay, so you can see the ads that they are running, and if you want to learn how to see the kind of videos that they are using. So take for example now the competitor in your own field. Say for example now I'm a web developer. Let's say websites or web. Let's say websites. So for example now we build websites and I want to like okay um I want to see other people advertising websites online and seeing how they're advertising it. Website may be too much of a broad word because a lot of people put visit my website, do this, do that. But yeah, I can see that people are talking about people are talking about SEO. Those are what they are showing in potential clients and the different angles people are running from, right? So you can select the ads and it's going to open into another tab and you can see every information about the ads. As you can see here, first shown, last shown, unique section, unique user seen, target audience, everything that you are seeing here, UK, males, gender. You can see every breakdown that this person actually did to start running his ad. So if you have anybody that is running ads and you're wondering how the person is going about it, you can actually use this to check what they are running. So it all depending on your use case. So the key thing is you can search with keywords and you can search with the company's name. So the next thing is that we're going to click on ads reports. So if you click on ads report, you would see this ads activity, ads published by country. You can see it here. So sometimes you might be wondering why your country is not in their monetization. This thing, you notice that probably your country is not spending much, right? So and if you come down here, you see ads published per day. You can see that they have up to like 7 million. Like this is actually much. They're not giving much detail like Facebook. And if you want to know how you can spy on your competitors on Facebook, I'm going to drop a link or somewhere in the video so that you can watch it. And if you have any question, don't forget to put it in the comments section and don't forget to like, share, and comment.